Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by preparing your vault and choosing a sync path. First, make sure Obsidian is installed on both Mac/PC and iPhone and back up the vault now. Next, decide between Obsidian Sync for end-to-end encryption, iCloud Drive for native Apple syncing, or Git for version control. Once chosen, enable the service on your desktop. Create or select the vault to sync. This setup frees you from conflicts later and ensures you can continue. Now configure the detailed steps for your selected method. If using Obsidian Sync, sign in to your Obsidian account, enable sync and pick the vault in specific folders. Also toggle attachments and conflict rules. For iCloud Drive, move the vault into iCloud Drive or Obsidian folder, enable iCloud access in iOS settings, and verify files appear on iPhone. If using Git, set up a remote repo, commit the vault, push the initial commit. Finish by adding the vault on your iPhone and verifying content. Open Obsidian, choose Add Vault From, then select Obsidian Sync, iCloud Drive or Files/Git and grant access to the folder. Once done, scan notes and attachments for completeness. Make sure links and plugins behave as expected. If you see conflicts, choose to accept newest or merge changes and check attachments. If sync stalls, restart the app or device, verify network and storage. Then re-trigger the sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.